Hello everyone, I'm Maria and this is my horse Bella. So today I'm going to attempt to use, I am going to use this product by Hairy Pony called Fake It. So it's fake mane. You're looking impressed, Belle. As you can see, Bella doesn't have much of a forelock, so I really struggled to get a nice plait at the front, and it just, we end up with this little, looks terrible. Anyway, so I'm going to give this a go. I've never used it on the forelock before, so this is going to be a bit of trial and error, and I'm not sure how I'm going to go getting the camera angle, but we'll give it a go. Okay, so hopefully I've got a good angle for you guys. So I've just dampened her forelock a little bit. Now Bella has very rarely been plaited, so this is all a new concept to her, but she's generally a pretty good girl. So I'm just using a little bit of hair wax here so that I can get all those little fluffies in, hopefully. So I'm going to use the same concept as I did do her tail, so if you haven't watched that one, that's available to be watched as well. So I've got a tail comb here, and just going to use that. I find the tail comb is nice and fine, so you can get all those little bits in. Okay, so we might be able to do the ponytail around the Fake It. So she's not really keen to have this on her head, is she? She's like, what are you doing to me, Mama? Good girl. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the middle section up through the ponytail so that is all ready through. Good job. So I'm not sure if you can see that. So I've got that piece there is already through my other two pieces of her actual hair. So I'm just going to put a band around that to hold that together. Okay, so now we're going to bring that middle bit back over her hair. So we're going to create these. We've got these three pieces. I hope you can see that. I'll get my hand out of the way. Good girl. Okay, so I'm going to start plaiting. Good girl, Belly. And then I'm going to bring in a piece of Belle's hair. The other side, and we bring in a piece of Bella's hair. Yeah, this is such good practice. Go away, fly. Now I'm getting the flies, Bella. So just like doing a tail, I'm just bringing over pieces, so I hope you can all see that there. And I suppose when you get more and more proficient at it, you will be able to also try and, or if your horse has got a little more forelock, oh big sigh, you can try and bring their mane over the top of the Fake It so that you don't see as much of that. So that little bit in. Good girl, Belly. Oh, nearly there. This is normally when they go crazy, isn't it? And then they undo all your good work. But that is not going to happen today, is it, Bella? So grab that bit there. And then we're going to go. That, just like that. Nearly lost it. But we've kept it together. Good job, Belly. Oh, good job, Maria, to hold on to it, hey? All right, and then we get all these little bits. Oh, look at that forelock. It's never looked so good. So we're off to a competition next week. Plaiting is optional, but guess what? We're going to plait, Belle. Now we've got this wonderful product from Hairy Pony. And again, I would normally stitch my plaits, so I would sew that up in there, which I might just do a needle and thread and show you because it will look better. So Hairy Pony also do these needles. That's the needle, and I've threaded it with some heavy cotton. I don't know what you call that. But anyway, so we've banded the bottom. I know, Bella, you've had enough. It does look a little bit messy, but it was dry. I should have wet it when I did it. So what I will do is I will pop this up through and just spin that. You're going to make it worse, Belle. All the little bits are coming out. All right. I know. Feels weird. I know. Good girl. You're being very good and very patient. Good girl. So let's just go up through. No, actually, we'll go down. Again, I haven't done plaiting for a really long time. I've been out of horses for quite a while, so this has all been quite new to me. So then I think some people fold it back up through the plait, but because Belle doesn't have much mane, but you can see there I've just put the needle back up through the plait, and that was enough to fold that back up. So then I'm going to go back through, and I try and go back through the band because that kind of holds it a bit harder. Well, I don't know if hard is the right word. It's got a bit of an anchor. And then back up through. And we'll try and get that little bit that's popping out. And tuck that under. Not too high. Oh, there we go. I've got the band there. That's good. Very nice. Well, for our first attempt, I am impressed. Scissors need to sharpen. Cut off all those little... I'm not going to touch it. Look at that! Looking good. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found that informative and you learnt how to use the Hairy Pony Fake It to do a beautiful forelock. So if you enjoyed, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of Belly and I and the farm antics, and we'll catch you next time. Bye for now.